Hello all, welcome to Foodrik. I'm Shraddha Marathe, practicing dietitian and Foodrik founder member. In this series of videos, I will be answering some basic day-to-day eating habit questions. So, today's question is, how do I get my child to stop eating junk food? First and the most important practice is to feed your child home-cooked, fresh, local, seasonal food timely. Adjust their meal timings according to school, play, and sleep time. Involve them in kitchen activities like peeling, chopping, blending, sauteing, so the interest will develop. As kids are the best observers and imitate elders quickly, so be a good role model. When child sees mom and dad always eat healthy foods, they would also follow it. Early encouragement and motivation at home will be a starter point. Another important point to emphasize is keeping them well hydrated. Many times, cravings and hunger pangs are confused for thirst, so always give them water to drink at regular intervals. Avoid negative rewards like promising chocolates or a packet of chips for doing something will also control their junk food intake. Lastly, cooking junk food at home seldomly will also help as you will be able to control the quality and quantity of raw material, which would be wholesome and not the highly processed ones. I'm sure these practical tips will be useful to you all. In the next video, I will talk about the effects of junk food on child's learning. Thank you.